One of the most self-defeating frames that you can take is, I'm confused. I don't understand. I'm confused. I don't know what to do. Basically, you're already done. Because if you accept the fact, if you internalize the fact that you're confused and you decide to put that out into the world, I'm so confused. You're dead in the water. You're literally saying, I am confused. It's what you are. It's your identity. So if you're confused, there's nothing we can do. And people have this tendency to only give me that, right? Yeah, I watched this and I'm so confused. And it's not even a question. Just the fact that you feel the need to ask for help and tell me about the way that you're being, literally, you are confused. Please take note of the words here. I am confused. A better way of putting it would be, very new to this, it's pretty confusing, but I'll figure it out. Very new to this, it's pretty confusing, but I'm sure once I dig in and wrap my mind around it, I'll figure it out. Because that's what you've been doing all your life. Again, since you're a little baby, when you're in the crib, laying on your back, everything is pretty damn confusing because everything is new. If you've ever went to a different country, if you went to the airport, if you went to school for the first time, if you went to work for the first time, everything was confusing because you've never done it before. You figured it out anyway because you're here. You're still alive watching this. You're a human being. What we do is we do new stuff, we experience confusion, and we puzzle together the different links, the different stuff that we can identify, and then we're no longer confused. We sort of get this framework, and then we build from there. If you're learning something new and you feel the confusion building up, feel that all the question marks swirling around in your head, thinking, well, I just don't get it. You're saying all these things, but they don't make sense. The last thing you should do is to go ask a question to someone saying, hey, I'm confused. I don't understand this. Because now the fact is set. It's done. The frame is there. What you want to do is basically say, I'm working on this. I'm learning it. It's all very new to me. I'm struggling to get a sense of what XYZ means. Right now, here's my definition of it. If there's anything I'm missing, please let me know. And I'll be sure to keep digging into the materials and master this subject. Because at one point, everything was confusing and you still figured it out. So you can do it with whatever you're struggling with also. Stop being confused and start digging in instead of telegraphing to the world that you're a mess, you don't understand.